Get ready to spell words in Riley Spelling Headquarters. Let's start.
Spelling word number 1. Let's start. Spell the word hear. Hear means to notice a sound with your ears. Here's an example sentence. I can hear the music. I repeat, spell the word hear. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Fantastic. The correct spelling is H-E-A-R. Spelling word number 2. Next word. Spell the word heart. Heart means the part of your body that pumps blood, the center of feelings. Here's an example sentence. My heart is beating fast. I repeat, spell the word heart. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Great job. The correct spelling is H-E-A-R-T. Spelling word number 3. Let's continue. Spell the word heavy. Heavy means weighing a lot. Here's an example sentence. This bag is heavy. I repeat, spell the word heavy. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Excellent. The correct spelling is H-E-A-V-Y. Spelling word number 4. You're doing amazing. Spell the word 100. 100 means a number equal to 10 times 10. Here's an example sentence. He gave me change for 100. I repeat, spell the word 100. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Awesome. The correct spelling is H-U-N-D-R-E-D. Spelling word number 5. Last one. Spell the word hospital. Hospital means a place where sick or hurt people are treated. Here's an example sentence. She is in the hospital. I repeat, spell the word hospital. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Wonderful job. The correct spelling is H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L.